Alright, next up we got Eric doing a triple threads. Eric, 2 breaks ago. Check out the video. I opened the case and labeled box number 6, Eric. Here we go. What's she doing out there? Somebody keeps pacing back and forth in front of the store. Alright, Eric, here we go. We have Ryan Howard, 249, Ryan Zimmerman, 625, Lou Gehrig, Buster Posey, Matt Kemp, and Alcides Escobar, numbered to 99. Jerseys autograph. Future Phenom, Heath Bell, jersey to 27. Ian Kinsler, 625. George Sisler, 625. Brooks Robinson, Eddie Murray, Honus Wagner. Ike Davis, bat autograph. It's numbered to 50, green version. And Mike Schmidt, Michael Jack, numbered 18 of 18. Probably one of the ones Chad's looking for. Michael Jack Schmidt. Alright, Eric, appreciate it, man, and I will get him out in a bit. Later.